So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a realistic skull. And it's exactly the same as drawing a person or drawing a face. You start with the rule of halves, circle for the head, from the top of the head down to the cheekbones, makes a circle. Then you draw kind of a triangle for the chin. However, in my case right here, I kind of went ahead and did away with the triangle and just kind of drew it the way I saw it, which was kind of like a blocked off triangle, because this skeleton's face or the skull has a very flat chin. So I just went ahead and did that, and then I started adding in basic shapes. Now if you've seen my previous video to draw a realistic shoe or shading something with realism, you'll remember that things in reality have no dark lines or no lines around them. So what we have to do in this instance, which you can see right here, with the lines, the dark lines that I have around the object, I actually need to make the background darker than those lines. That way it stands out and it makes it look like it's realistic. And then from there, after I get my basic shapes added in, the rest of this artwork is just shading. That's it. That's all it is. So once you get your basic shapes added in, look at your reference picture and just add in shading. That's really all there is to it. There's not really a secret formula for this. So from this point forward, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let the video play out. And if you'd like to follow along with me, you are more than welcome to do so. I have linked the full video without any commentary down in the description if you'd like to watch that. Or you can just follow along with this, pause it where you need to, but pretty much all of this is just simple shading. Thank you all very much. I hope you enjoy the video.